In this video clip, we will try to solve the mirror paradox. What is the mirror paradox? The mirror paradox is a famous question that is posed like this. Why does a mirror reverse left and right and not up and down, even though the mirror does not know the difference between horizontal and the vertical direction? The mirror does not sense gravity. The light travels in a geometric way, the same horizontally and vertically, and still we know from day-to-day experience that the mirror only reverses the left and right. How can this be? Well, let's look at this little Playmobil soldier here, this Roman soldier, who has his sword in the right hand, but you see his mirror image is a left-handed soldier with his sword in the left hand and his shield in the right hand. So how do we get from the original to the mirror image? We will look at that later, but the first thing is what we know also from mirrors is how it works with text. If we want to read the text in a mirror, we cannot hold the original text in front of the mirror because it will read in the mirror's image. We have to write from left to right, and then we can read the text. So here again we see that holding the text upside down does not work. We cannot read it if we hold it upside down. It's nearly correct, but we can see that the L's go wrong. So, indeed we see again, left-right is reversed, not up-down. Well, in fact this is a misleading way to pose the question, because in reality, and that is also the answer to the mirror's paradox, the mirror does also reverse up and down. But we do not see the feet on top and the head below in the mirror image. So how can it also revert up and down? I will show this by changing the original into the mirror's image by first replacing the mirror's image by a left-handed Roman soldier, a twin brother who's left-handed. And now the question is, how do we make one guy into the other? Well, easy, you say, just take out the shield and the sword and in the other hand. But of course we want to look at it in a geometrical way. Well, the normal way, and this is the illusion of the left-right reversal, is of course that we do a horizontal flip. So we change everything horizontally, and then we rotate in the horizontal plane, and then we get the mirror's image. But I said that the mirror does also change upright. So how does it work then? Well, we do the same in the vertical direction. We do a vertical flip, like this, and you can see if you flip it vertical, you also get a left-handed soldier. And then to get to the mirror image, we do a turn in the vertical plane. So basically, geometrically, we do exactly the same as in the horizontal plane. We first do a flip, a vertical flip, and then we do a turn in the vertical plane, giving us the same image. So there is no difference between the horizontal direction and the vertical direction. It's just the symmetry of our body in left-right and our normal behavior to move things in the horizontal plane that gives us this solution first, and that gives us the impression that the mirror only reverts left-right. And if we would have written the text in a vertical flip, it would have read like this, and if you would then hold this in front of the mirror, you would also be able to read it. So the answer to the paradox is that the mirror does indeed not know the difference between vertical and horizontal, but changes it both ways. Whether you do a vertical flip or a horizontal flip, in both cases you will get the mirror's image, and the horizontal plane turn will bring you the mirror's image, and same in vertical plane.